Oh.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
I was
North
just
Central
eating ramen.
Lee County, South Central Chatham County until 10 p.m. At 9:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Sanford, moving south at 25 miles per hour.
Like, oh my
Hazard,
God.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Carthage, Goldston, Broadway, Lemon Springs, Gum Springs, Cumnock, and Tramway. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings.
The worst day ever.
Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed.
Like, whoa.
Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
You already know, man.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, Lee, and more.
Whoa.
This is no